Hello again, everybody. This is Matt from MakerWares with another edition of one of our how-to videos. In today's video, we're going to show you how to replace your kitchen cabinet knobs with our new style called Apollo design cabinet knobs. Our Apollo knobs come in two different colors, antique brass and oil rubbed bronze. So after you open the box, you'll find all 10 knobs individually wrapped in little sealed bags. These bags are very easy to open, just with a little bit of tug. You can open each knob bag, take out the knob. You'll also take out two screw sizes, 3/4 inch and 1 inch. The way you would replace existing cabinet knob, simply go to your cabinets after you've opened the box. You have some simple tools. You can use one flathead screwdriver, or you can use the optional Phillips head screwdriver. Our screws for mounting can use either one, as is pretty common of most cabinet knobs. So to remove the existing knob, you simply take one of your screwdrivers, insert it into the slot, give it a few turns, and the existing knob will pop off. Then you go to your MakerWares box, take your knob out of the package, find the corresponding length of screw, and at first you're going to simply turn on the new Apollo knob by manually rotating it without the screwdriver to get it started until it's snug. Then you take your screwdriver, give it a little more of a turn, maybe a half, maybe 3/4, kind of depends. You want it tight, but it doesn't have to be super tight. What you'll find over time is that after use, turning, pulling on these knobs, they will slowly get loose. All cabinet knobs do that. Simply get your screwdriver, tighten it up a little bit more again, and you're good to go. I hope you've enjoyed today's video and you found it informative. And I'm looking forward to making our next video, which will be how to install our Apollo cabinet knobs on new cabinet faces that don't have existing knobs. See you next time.